Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO A60 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this phone. First, open the settings, then find and select Wallpapers and Style, and here click on Wallpapers. Now you can choose your wallpaper either from recent photos of yours, from some album. You can create carousel wallpaper. You can choose one from static wallpapers, or tap on more to download some from the online album, for example this one. So if you want this one as your wallpaper, tap on apply, wait till it's downloaded. Now you can log in with your OPPO account and then set it as your wallpaper. Then if you want to apply something from static wallpapers, just select the one that you want to use, for example this one, and then just tap on apply. Finally, you need to decide if you want it to place it on your lock screen only, just your home screen, both of them, or maybe you want to create a carousel wallpaper, whatever you prefer, but I would like to set it on both home and lock screens. Now it is set. Obviously, once you want to set something from your album, just open albums and choose the photos. As you can see, the wallpaper is changed. You can change it whenever you want. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.